Good afternoon, dear children. Yesterday, as we went the poem of loveliest of trees, the cherry now. So I explained that about the poet, how the poet was enjoying the spring and the winter season in the woodland. It was really beautiful for him as he expresses his feelings in the more, what is that called, lovelier. And today we will come to the second stanza. First stanza already over, but yet I will just have and reading. All of you look at your book and keep the finger. Page number 118. Loveliest of trees, the cherry now. Loveliest of trees, the cherry now, is hung with bloom along the bough, and stands about the woodland right, wearing white for Eastertide. Now, of my 70 years and 20 will not come again, and take from 70 springs a score, it only leaves me 50 more. So now coming to the second stanza, the children, that is beautiful. The first stanza explained yesterday, all about how he describes the beauty of the cherry tree with the white blossoms in the full bloom hanging from the branches. Now we are coming to the second stanza that he says the poet assumes the span of life as of 70 years. He thinks that now 20 years are already past. Now, beautiful 50 years are remaining back, that he thinks that it should be enjoyed in the woodland. So he realizes that he has only 50 more years. So he realizes that, so 50 more times the catch of brief moment each year. It is a very precious year, one by one, for him to, what is that called, to enjoy. When the cherry trees are in bloom, that is only when the or the cherry trees to enjoy, no other mean. The entire what is that called, second stanza is about the time and the lifespan. He is telling that 20 years are gone, 50 more years are remain. This is a fleeting beauty of the blossoming of cherry trees. This beauty lasts for a maximum of 2 weeks. Maximum of 2 weeks, not more than that, and often maybe less. The second stanza reminds us that people like cherries are mortal and have only a limited lifespan. Now, enjoying in the woodland, it's a very, what is that called, very jolly type, very happy moment. According to the poet, how you and me, sometimes we may not enjoy in the woodland by seeing the cherries, but there are moments the people who enjoy nicely in the cherry, in the woodland, and how they eat, and so all that moments he remembers, and he says, now 20 more over. He is very sad that feeling 20 more over. Now 50 more only are remained that to enjoy in the woodland in a cherry land. Cherries all like that beauty and all that, whatever may be, all like cherries. As a children, we also like color of the cherry, isn't it? So this is what the poet describes in the second stanza. First stanza is all about, he says how the Easter is celebrated in the this season. Now coming to the second stanza of the lifespan. about the life, that 20 years are gone, so 50 years remain, like that. Now coming to the third stanza, the children keep the finger on your words that I read, poem. And since to look at things in bloom, 50 springs are little room. About the woodlands I will go to see the cherry hang with the snow. So coming to the third stanza, dear children, the poet calculates his lifespan as the hour or many times. How he calculates each minute is very precious to him. He will be getting the chance to see the beauty in his 20s. Now he is waiting another 50s. Now every year he wants to see. He says that, and thinking that though he has 50 more years to live, yet it is not enough for him. Yet it is not enough for him to enjoy that beauty. Still more he wants the years, so he decides that he will visit the woodland every year. Every year he promises that every year he will visit the woodland to enjoy the beauty of the cherry. So in spring, the cherries are only in the spring and spring season. Cherries will not get in summer and all. It comes only in a, now this is the right time, this is the right where I am explaining, this is the spring season for you all to enjoy. This is called, now you all can see all the trees of the leaves are just falling, dry leaves. Now that new fresh these leaves are coming, that is called in Kannada chiguru. You all of you know this kind of chiguru, they come now at this time. You just watch, you have a watch on those trees how the dry leaves are falling and the new leaves are coming. Okay, so that's what, this is what the third stanza all about, explanation. Now poet is only says that every year he wants to enjoy. Now spring season means how it comes. You all of us like spring and winter season. We enjoy winter, we like to sleep more longer and you like to eat nice food, and whereas same thing in spring, but not in summer all hate because it is a hot warm weather and you will find like fire burning. So you like only all cold things, you like to eat ice cream and also so many things. So whatever, now we are finishing this third stanza. Now coming to the last theme of this poem. What is the, now each whenever we have a subject, there is a theme we have in the poem or lesson. Now you have in karate parrot, you have learnt some theme there. What is the theme? Means main lesson what you pick up from the poem. Main lesson for your life, main lesson what you are picking up. The theme of the poem is that time is going, one must take one's lifetime, at least one must take the time to enjoy this, as there is a common idea of the people that the average lifespan 70 years, it should be used properly, utilized properly. Now you all go for jatre or fair, anything, all of you enjoy. So this is a time only you can enjoy. When you are becoming old, you cannot enjoy. So you say, yeah, now it is our enjoying time. But everything there is a limit. Not unlimited. We should have all a limit. Now actually summary of this poem. Now just in nutshells I will tell the summary of this poem is, the cherry is the loveliest of all trees and it is in blooms as in the spring season now. The blossoms are white and it appears as though the tree is also celebrating the Easter season. Easter season means all of for Christians it is very special. Now 40 days they fasting they do, and after 40 days Christ risen, they celebrate that Easter season in a spring, that is between March 25th to April 25th. With that, see what is the duration they celebrate. So this is what about Easter season. The speaker is 20 years old. He will probably live for 70 years. He is thinking that his lifespan is for 70 years. So this means that he has got only about 50 years left. Now he is thinking he left only 50 years to enjoy. Unfortunately, this is not enough for him to enjoy. Time to look at everything he wants to see. So he vows to go about the woodlands and look at what all the cherry trees hung with the snow. You know, when the snow falls, that cherry trees are looking very nice, hanging like that, branches and all. No? So again and again he says, I would like to enjoy the cherry trees. So I will go to the woodlands every year in these 50 years. I will not miss. This is what he is continuously telling to the people for us. He is telling. So all of us, let us enjoy this poem, and we also try to like a poet, so that we also will become one of them one day, like a poet. So let us recite this poem when we get time, and just recite and understand